Good morning and welcome to our spelling class. This is Miss Cruz speaking. Today it's Thursday, April 23rd, and the year is 2020. We have a new lesson today, which is lesson number 8, and everybody is welcome, and I hope everybody can pay attention to this video. Remember, if you have any questions or problem, let me know. Okay, now grab everything that you will need for this lesson and get ready. Page number 2, lesson 8, title, final schwa with L. Student objective, read, spell, and write words with the final schwa with L sound. Spell A-L, E-L, I-L, or L-E. Here we have 20 spelling words that include this pattern. The instructions say, read the spelling word. Please read with me. Number 1, humble, angel, console, pupil, final, normal, angle, syllable, festival, panel, evil, rural, fossil, and scramble, marble, loyal, general, parcel, civil, concept. Remember, the final schwa with L sound can be spelled A-L as in final, E-L as in panel, I-L as in civil, and L-E as in angle. Let's move to the next page, please. Page number 3, title, final swatch with L. Here we have 7 spelling words with a definition and a sentence that includes the word. Okay, now read with me, please. Pupil, a person being taught by a teacher, a student. So it means that all of you are pupils. Sam, it's a pupil of hers. Then we have parcel, a package, a bundle of things wrapped together. The sentence, the shoppers were filled with parcels. So parcel is a package. Panel, a flat rectangular section of a surface such as a wall. The sentence, the panels on the door are painted brown. When you talk about panel, you are referring to a board. Humble, a modest, not proud. This sentence is, she remained humble even after a huge success. Marble, a wonderful or marvelous thing. The sentence is, space puzzles are marvels of a modern science. A marvel can be also a miracle. Fossil, any trace or remain of animals or plants from an early age found in air, ice, coal, or rock. The sentence is the following. We saw the skeleton of the prehistoric creature in the fossils. And the last one is angle, the figure formed by two lines that come together in a point. The teacher drew an angle on the chalkboard. Now, with all of these words and definitions, you should be able to answer the next page. So, please review this part and focus on this definition when you answer the next page. Page number 4, connections to vocabulary. The instructions are: write the spelling words that could replace each underlined word. So, according with the instruction, in each sentence there is a word that is underlined, and you have to replace that word for a word that have a similar meaning or it's a synonym of that word. Remember, you have to use the spelling words, and at the bottom of the page you have 10 words, and you are going to use them as an answer. But you will be able to use only 7 of the words. So it means that you have 3 extra. Another tip that I can give it to you is that when you use a word, make sure that you cross out the word that you use. That way, you are not going to get confused and double the same answer. For example, number 1, the mail carrier delivered a large package, period. What is a word that could replace package? Another synonym for package. Okay? Look the words that you have at the bottom of the page. And the answer is parcel. So you cross out the word parcel and you write it on the empty line. You have to do the same thing for number 2. Every teacher was once a student. A student. Another word for a student. Another word that can replace a student. It's pupil. Pupil. You're going to write pupil on the empty line. You have to do that for number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And at the bottom of the page, you have the possible answers. Make sure that you correct the 7 words that are going to replace the words that are underlined in each sentence. Let me read the words that you have. Marble, console, angle, pupil, panel, fossil, parcel, festival, humble, and rural. If you have any question, you should be able to ask me any of the problem that you have. Okay, let's continue with the next page. Page number 5, make inference. Now, on this page, the student is going to write a spelling word to complete the sentences. You have a chart with 10 words, and you have 7 sentences, which means that you are going to be able to use 7 of the answer, and you will have 3 extra words. You will not be able to use all the words. Make sure that you choose the correct answer. So you write the word on the empty line that best or that perfectly match with the sentence. Okay, let's start with number 1. Citizens' liberties are protected by blank, and then you have the word rights. Which is going to be the best answer for number 1? Civil, evil, soluble, angle, console, final, normal, pupil, angel, or humble. Which is the spelling word that is going to complete this sentence? The answer is civil. Number 2, for once the city blank members all agree. Look the words that you have on green. Choose the best one. The answer is council. For once the city council members all agree. Make sure that you cross out civil and make sure that you cross out council. Number 3, the story was about an blank and human being. Check the answers. Check the words. Which is going to be the correct answer for number 3? Look, the word that is going to match, that is going to complete the sentence number 3. Look, it's and before. It means that I have to come in. The answers have to start with a vowel. So the best answer is going to be angel. That story was about an angel and human being. Number 4, his temperature has turned into blank. Two walls meet at the right blank. Chad is blank about his talents. Number 7, people say that an blank monster once ruled this wood. Think about it before you answer all these questions and select the best answer to complete each sentence. Okay? Let's go to the next page. Page number 6. The title for this page is Dictionary. Do you know the meaning of the word dictionary? Do you have any idea what the dictionary word means? I'm not able to hear you, but I wish that you can have one. But this is the one that I'm going to share with you. Dictionary, it's a book or an electronic resource that lists the words of a language, typically in alphabetical order, and gives their meanings or give the equivalent words in a different language, often also providing information about pronunciations, origin, and usage. So, you and I should have a dictionary because when we have questions about the meaning of a word, or if you want to know what is the equivalent word in a different language, or if we are wondering about a word, pronunciation, and origins, the dictionary is going to be the one that is going to provide us that type of information. Okay, now this is what you need to do on this page. You need to write the spelling words in alphabetical order from A to C in your notebook. Okay, all the words in a dictionary are in alphabetical order from A to C. Now this is what you need to do. You have the 20 spelling words listed on this page. Look for letter A. You have one, right? It's angel. So angel is going to be number 1. Then look for letter B. Do you have any word that starts with the letter B, that begins with letter B? No. What about C? C is coming after B. C. The letter C. I see that there are 2 words with the letter C. It's console, which is number 3, and console, which is number 20, which is going to be after angel. Okay, I see that the word that is going to be after angel is going to be console. And after console, you are going to write console based on the letters that are coming in alphabetical order from A to C. Okay, now A, B, C, D. Do we have a word that has the letter D? It is or not? No. What about E? Do we have any E? Yes, we have evil. So the first one is going to be angel, then it's council, and then console, and then number 4 is going to be evil. So you continue with all the word until you go to letter C. Okay, write all of this spelling words in alphabetical order and write it in your notebook, please. Okay, if you have any question, you let me know. Let's go to the next page. Finally, we are on page number 7. On this page, I will explain you the homework for today. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to study the information. What information? The information that you have on page number 2 and number 3. Make sure that you know how to spell, write, and read the 20 spelling words that we have on page number 2. Make sure that you know the definition for the 7 words that we have on page number 3. Copy page number 2 and number 3 in your notebook. Complete the exercise on page number 4, 5, and 6. If you know the spelling words, it's going to be more easy for you to answer this exercise. Make sure that when you work in your notebook, make sure that you work it's neat and tidy. And this is going to be all for today. And I will have to say right now goodbye. No goodbye. I have to say see you soon. It sounds better. I miss you, everybody. And I pray for you every day. And may God bless you. Bye-bye.